Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create multiple users on TECLAST T60. To create multiple users, go to Settings, then go to System, Multiple Users. Make sure Allow Multiple Users is enabled, and now you can add user. Next, create a name for that user if you want. Now it will create the new user. You can enable device calls and SMS, but remember that you will share the same SIM card with that user, so I'm not gonna enable it. And you can switch to that user and click on Setup Now to set up the account. And now you can log in to the Google account of that user, but remember it should be the account of that user. So I'm gonna skip it and they can log in themselves later. In Settings, More, Accept. Now you can choose your search engine. I'm gonna choose Google. And now you can set a PIN or other type of password for that user, but remember that it's for that user, so they need to remember it. I'm gonna set a pattern. Next, confirm. And you can also set up different other things. And now the user is set up, and you can switch between users by sliding from the top of your screen, then click here and you can switch to another user. And these users don't share the same data, so if you have your personal files on your account, then the other user won't see it unless they know the password to your account. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.